How to log into your Fitbit account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new account and log into Fitbit. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Fitbit is a fitness tracking app where you can track all of your workouts, your steps, and get a more better understanding of your daily lifestyle. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your app. So here you have two options. If you want to sign in using Google, you can do that. And if you want to sign in with Fitbit, you can do that as well. So just tap on it. So what you can do here is simply enter your email address and then enter your password. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot password to reset it. So what you want to do here is go back and sign in with Google if you have your Google account connected. I'm just going to do that. So if you are new to the app, you can just click on continue as a new user. Now from here, click on agree and continue. So here you'll have to provide your height and your weight. So go ahead and enter your height and then click on OK. Enter the weight and then click on OK again. Enter your gender and then click on save and continue. Entering all of these information will help you customize your app and create a workout plan that's customized for you. So once you do that, you should be easily be able to log into your app. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.